Today, we will talk about how to file a police report for identity theft. Let's have a look at the details. If you discover that you are the victim of identity theft, one of the first things you should do is file a report with your local police department. Many people believe a local police report isn't necessary unless you know the potential perpetrator or believe they're nearby. However, even if nothing comes from the local police investigation, a police report may be required by banks and creditors as proof of your identity when you dispute charges or new accounts. The first method is reporting identity theft to local police. Complete an identity theft report with the Federal Trade Commission. This report will help you organize your information, gather documents to support your claim. If you have evidence of the identity theft on your bank account or credit card statements, or on your credit report, print these out to provide to the police. Visit your local police station. You may be able to file a police report online or over the phone. However, when you're reporting identity theft, it's typically better to go to the police station and talk to an officer in person. Talk to an officer at the police station. Tell the desk officer that you want to file a police report for identity theft. Get a copy of the completed report. After you've spoken to an officer, they may give you the written report immediately. You also may have to wait a couple of days for the written report to be generated. Follow up with additional information. After you file your police report, you may become aware of additional charges or other activity on your credit report related to the initial identity theft. The second method is replacing lost or stolen identification. Contact all agencies that issued you photo identification. Gather other documentation to prove your identity. Calculate the fees for ID replacement. You may have to pay to have your identification cards replaced. Find out in advance how much it will cost to replace everything you have to replace, so you have a total for budgeting purposes. Apply for a replacement license. You'll have to fill out an application form to replace your license or other photo identification. When you complete the form and pay any fees, you'll receive your new license. And the third method is protecting your identity. Put a fraud alert or freeze on your credit reports. A fraud alert advises potential creditors to take additional steps to verify your identity before issuing credit in your name. Close all accounts that have been accessed. When you find out a particular account has been accessed by an identity thief, take action immediately to shut down that account so that they can't access it again. Put your name on your state's identity theft database. Some states, including California, have identity theft databases. These databases protect you if someone who stole your identity commits a crime in your name. Getting a fraud alert is a relatively simple process and is free of charge. Change your passwords and PINs. If you believe your identity was stolen as the result of a hack or an online transaction, immediately create new passwords for all of your financial accounts online. Choose a secure password that's completely unlike the one you used before. Report potential tax identity theft to the IRS. If your social security number has been compromised or stolen, the thief can use it to get a job or tax refund. You will get a notice from the IRS if 2 returns are filed under your social security number, which indicates potential tax identity theft. Contact your state consumer protection office. Your state's consumer protection office, typically part of your state's Secretary of State office, has resources that can help you dispute transactions, deal with creditors, and recover from identity theft. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.